dream boat. Almost. The boat was a 38 feet wood deck. We loved it. So we're going to see this boat and to do the first evaluation, patience and structural strength as well. The boat was like this, so that would be our challenge. Presented by a friend which was helping us on the search for the last 2 years, it has all the things that we needed, like 2 bedrooms, a functional kitchen, and a classic structure that deserved to be restored. There is where the challenge begins. We have now a huge project ahead to use our best knowledges to bring it back to life. I am an electrical engineer and I will count with many specialists and friends to make this a reality. If you like and want others to find us, just click to like and subscribe. This way you will receive the updated and new contents about the project and all ongoing steps. Also, leave your comment, give us your ideas or share your thoughts. This is how all started. See you in the next one. Bye!